You won't believe the history of the paper towel. It was invented because of a sneeze. A factory made a huge batch of defective toilet paper, and it all started there. In 1907, a school in Philadelphia needed something disposable to prevent spreading germs. People thought reusable cloth was good enough. Who would pay for throwaway towels? Once parents saw germs drop, everyone wanted paper towels in kitchens and schools. Now we toss them daily. Would you go back to sharing cloth towels? Tell us below.